Hey, happy Tuesday. Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to go back to Lumentum Holdings here. You can see the advantage of what I call stalking a stock, where we see the stock come off of the rebound here. You can kind of draw the lines here as I have, where this is I guess you could say it's a symmetrical triangle where the prices are converging, but the idea on a stock like this is starting a small position here because you got a lot of supply overhead. Your recent people that have bought the stock at a higher price than it's trading for now, a lot of them are going to be happy to dump their shares at break even. So there's all this supply here. You got to be real careful. But if you're buying it, then what you do is you put a tight stop right down there. So you're not really risking too much money. You're not making a bunch of money if you're correct because you have a small position, but you are getting into the stock. And ultimately, the idea is if the stock goes up, you've got a low cost here initially, so that when you're buying more shares at higher prices, your cost basis, your overall cost basis is good. So we got this move here, right? And then the next day, rallies up and comes back, but still closes up on the day. Finally, then, just yesterday, we get this kind of a tentative breakout or so, and then boom, today we get the big move higher. So I'm looking at this high volume day here from last Friday as a key day for institutional buying. And so I think this got added to an index. I think that's the deal. But I'm looking for, as the market stays stronger, I'm looking for higher prices here. And what I would suggest doing is I think you could buy the stock here and then maybe just put a stop underneath, say, the 50-day moving average, or maybe you can find the exact center of the triangle here and then put your stop just below this. The idea is if the breakout is not valid, then you don't want to be long the stock. If the breakout is valid, then it should not pull back further than like right about here. So if it pulls back here and starts rebounding, frankly, you can buy some more. But if it pulls back here and keeps going, that's okay because your stop was hit right there. So you don't want to be in a stock that has failed the breakout. But right now, it's not failing. It's actually looking pretty good. So anyway, I hope this helps. It took a while for this trade to unfold, but it finally has. So hope you're making some money. Hope you have a good evening too.